So we just finished installing a screen protector on your newly bought iPhone 12 Pro Max, and now it's time to put a case. Now you're looking for a good leather case, Nomad has you covered. What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech, gadgets, and accessories for you. And in today's video we have 3 cases from Nomad. All 3 of these cases are 100% Horween leather and they feel and smell absolutely gorgeous. Let's go ahead and place them here. We have the 2 rugged cases available in 3 different colors. Now we have a natural color here, brown, and it's also available in black. And we have the rugged folio case here, available in rustic brown and black only. But these are all amazing cases for the iPhone 12, 12 Pro, or 12 Pro Max. So without further ado, these right now, currently at the time of filming this video, they're running a Black Friday, Cyber Monday sale. They're offering you 30% off. The rugged folio normally will run you $69.95, currently going for $48.95. And the rugged cases here, both this natural one and the rustic brown, normally will run $49.95. Right now, currently $34.95. So without further ado, let's start with this natural one here. And looking at the packaging is very nice, very premium. Of course, you're paying high dollar, but you're getting very premium packaging and a very premium case. Nomad, an image of the phone here, Nomad branding there, Nomad, it gives you the color there, natural leather. On the back, it gives you a image of the case, and it gives you a image of day one, how it's going to look on day one, and how it's going to nicely weather in and look on day 100. So without further ado, let's go ahead and pop this out. Boom. We have the leather case here. Inside we have a very nice soft lining material there to protect the iPhone, and around the edges, as you can see, this little dark right here, that's that anti-drop protection there to protect your phone if it takes a spill or a fall while in this case. So without further ado, let's go ahead and grab the iPhone 12 Pro Max, snap it in here, and feels very snug, very nice tight fit. Now I do have a tempered glass screen protector currently installed, and there is no issues with the tempered glass screen protector and this Nomad rugged case. It's not pushing against the screen protector. Now these bubbles here that you see on the screen protector, those are just because I just installed the screen protector to the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and I got to give it about 24 hours so those can go away. But the buttons here, let's start with the volume rocker, are 100% nice and covered, and they're very nice and tactile, very responsive, no issues there. You have the mute slider opening there, and it's nice and accessible, no issues accessing the mute slider to mute off and on your iPhone 12. Flipping over to the right side of the phone, you have a texture power button / Siri button, very nice and covered and tactile and very responsive. You get a very satisfied feeling when pressing down on the buttons. On the top we have nothing. On the bottom we have all our ports nicely cut out, nice and precise. Plenty of room around the lightning port there for a third-party charging cable, but everything else looks nice and symmetric, very even, no issues there. Let's go ahead and flip over to the rear. On the rear you do have camera protection all around those 3 camera lenses, so there's no issues when laying your phone on its back on a flat surface. Looking on the front of the phone, you have lip protection even with a tempered glass screen protector installed, so no issues when laying your phone flat down on a flat surface. That screen is going to be protected. Now this case, it does not have that MagSafe technology, but it still wirelessly charges through the case with no issues, so you have no issues with these cases and wireless charging. Now this is the natural leather look here. Let's go ahead and look at the brown one. Now the brown one is going to give you the exact same features, just a different color. You have a black lining, soft material inside, and the outer edges are black, rustic brown, very smooth leather feeling. Smells absolutely gorgeous. Horween leather, 100%. Smells great. Let's go ahead and show you how the phone is going to look inside this case. Bam, look at that. No issues with that whatsoever. Looks absolutely amazing. Does not add any bulk to your iPhone, or too much bulk. It does add very little, but you're probably not going to notice. Look at this bad boy. Looks absolutely amazing. So between this one and the natural leather looking case is the absolutely same case, is the rugged case. So I'm not going to show you. Obviously, you know this wirelessly charges, and the feeling on the buttons and everything is exactly the same. So let's go ahead and move over to the rugged folio case. Now this rugged folio case packaging, I am going to show you this one is like this. You have this packaging there. You have day 1, day 100, as well as the other one, but this one's a little bit different because this is a wallet case. So looking at the wallet case here, you do have a slot here for cash or receipts or anything. 3-card slot here up front. Nomad branding right there. And of course, Horween Leather Company, 100%. Feels absolutely amazing and smells absolutely amazing. You can get this one in 2 colors, black and rustic brown. So let's go ahead and pop the phone here. Now, the case part of this wallet case is exactly like the rugged one. No issues there. You have the same lip protection around the camera, so laying your phone on its back on a flat surface, it's not going to do anything. And wireless charging is still the same. No issues with wireless charging there. And you have the same lip protection around the front there. Even with a tempered glass screen protector, there's no issues if you're going to lay your phone on a flat surface like this, or if you're just going to lay it down like this, then obviously you know that you're 100% covered, so no issues there. Now the power button here on the side is textured as well, nice and tactile, no issues there. The only difference with this one is you do have this sleeve here, so you kind of got to bend this a little bit out of the way so you can access that mute slider there, but there's no issues accessing that mute slider there. And your volume buttons are also covered, nice and tactile, very responsive, no issues with that. But the one thing you can do with this is, while you have this wallet fully closed, you can still access your volume rocker up and down, and you get this very nice satisfying feeling when clicking on the volume up and down, so no issues there. But look at this case, it looks absolutely amazing. If you're into a wallet case and you want to go ahead and just eliminate your wallet and carry both your phone and your wallet all in one, you most definitely can with this Nomad folio case here. Bam, looks absolutely amazing. So there you have your Nomad folio case. You have your rugged cases here in 2 different colors. Absolutely amazing cases here for you or any of your local iPhone family member users. But we also have this Nomad USB Type-C to Lightning cable. This cable normally will run you $27.95 for 5 feet, or for a 10-footer will run you $44.95, but they're discounted as well. So right now you can pick this 5-footer for $27.95 and the 10-footer for $29.95. But great packaging as well. Very, very rugged and very premium cable. It is made of Kevlar for maximum protection and durability. Look at this cable. Look how thick this bad boy is. Bam. Now that is the Type-C side here, looking good. And you have your lightning side there also looking, but look how thick and durable these cables are. It's not going to split there like your janky Apple cable they send you. Very thick Kevlar. Gives you a strap as well to go ahead and storage your cable. Very, very rugged, good premium cable for your iPhone or your iPad. So there you have it, guys. If you have any question regarding the 3 cases or the cable itself, make sure you leave them down in the comment section below. Links to all these products will be also in the description below. Again, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.